Introducing the innovative valve and spool assembly, tailor-made for HEUI G2.9 max force diesel fuel injectors. Crafted to match the original parts, this valve and spool integrate seamlessly with a high-quality solenoid and is the solution for a variety of models of international Navistar injectors, including the following: DT466, 570, HT570, Max Force DT, Max Force 9, Max Force 10, Max Force 9, and Max Force 10. Compatible with Alliant Power and Pure Power technologies. Please check the references on our website and rest assured, with our 12-month warranty, you can rebuild or repair now your damaged diesel injector, knowing that with this value, you'll match the best quality possible, saving time and money. Elevate your diesel fuel injector system today with this new valve and spool assembly. For more information, visit california-diesel.com or call us at 951-234-1022. That was the 951-234-1022. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.